Good day to all of you. Welcome to Easy Physics. Learn physics as easy as 1, 2, 3. One academic year is going to get over, right? It's high time to master one of the essential skills, which is nothing but managing your time. Time management is one of the very important skill that every one of you should master. How does everything get done? There are 168 hours in a week. And how are you spending your time? Sleeping, eating, working, attending class, meeting friends and family? First thing you should do before you manage your time is analyze that how are you spending your time? You would say that time management is just common sense. I do well in school. I don't need to manage my time. The academic year is almost over. I don't need to manage my time. Some would say, no matter what I do, I won't have enough time. These are some myths and common saying. But the truth is, there are benefits in learning effective time management. You will become more productive, your stress level will be reduced, you will have a balance in your life, you will feel more confident to get things done, and finally, for sure, you're going to accomplish your goals. So, what is time management? It's very simple. It's nothing but making the most of your time and energy. Evaluating your energy level is an important aspect of time management. Evaluate your energy level at different times of the day to see when are you most productive. If you're a morning person, seize the early hours to study and do assignments that require focus. And vice versa if you're a night owl. It's not essential that you always have to study early in the morning only. First thing is you should identify at what time of the day you feel more energetic and you feel more productive. But keep one thing very important, that never sacrifice your sleep. Must have 6 to 8 hours of sleep. There are three simple steps to follow to have effective time management. First thing is set up goals. Secondly, make schedule. And thirdly, revisit and revise your schedule. While you're setting up goals, be smart that set up specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time based goals. And after setting up the goals, set priorities. What is most important and what isn't? What order do things need to be done? Then plan out a schedule for the day, week, or the month, depending on how much time is left with you. The more you plan, definitely the easier it gets. It is always better that you have a four chamber priority chart. For every task you wish to do, put a tick mark on based on its urgency and importance. If something is urgent and important, then what are you waiting for? Do it right away. And if one task is important but not so urgent, means you can procrastinate a bit if you have some urgent task to be done now. That means that task, which is important but not urgent, has to be done not now but soon. If something is not urgent but important, means you can reschedule to a later time when you get time. And if something is not important and not urgent, you must say no to that task. Avoid or ignore, especially when you are reaching the end of the academic year. Always keep the tasks which are not urgent and not important, always keep those tasks aside, away. Don't do it. Avoid or ignore it. The second thing is schedule. End of the academic year. So what? Look at what you have left for the year and write down those important dates. When are the projects due? When are your finals? Can you submit late work? Make sure you do this for all your classes, all your subjects. Also, schedule time for breaks. That is very essential. And thirdly, keep a self progress report after having, suppose you have made a schedule for a week. At the end of the week, keep a progress report with you and evaluate yourself. Ask these questions and revise your schedule if it is needed. How are you spending your time? Which task were you able to do? What changes need to be done to your schedule? What could you be doing better? What was the hindrances from getting works done? After asking these questions, adjust your schedule and make time to get everything done. So, revise and revisiting of your schedule is very, very important. And then, procrastination, the very important thing not to do. Easier said than done, right? So, we have to overcome it. How can we overcome it? For that, make commitments, set and keep deadlines. If you're strong enough, hold yourself accountable for these commitments. And if you feel that you're weaker at that part, seek help from your parents or one of your best friends to ask you whether you have accomplished these commitments and goals on time. Divide a big job into smaller ones. Try to make it fun as much as possible. Reward yourself if you are able to accomplish a big task. Reward yourself. Learn to say no to time wasters. It is very essential. And identify you are coming into which level of procrastinator. Non procrastinator means well and good that person does work early. You analyze yourself, you are coming into which category. There are some Sunday nights like us who keep all the things towards the weekend and spend the weekend on doing all the things together. Super slacker. 2 months of projects, essays, labs, etc. Everything all to be done in one single night. And you are just mechanically doing it, you are not going to benefit anything out of it. And another level is master procrastinator. Still procrastinating after the deadlines, which means you are never going to accomplish your goals. So identify in which level you're falling and try to improve the level and try to come up to the first level of the non procrastinator. It's not so easy, but you have to be determined in doing so. You have to be determined in coming up to that level. And finally, try to study in groups. Not sitting and studying in groups, you can have a responsible group in which you can fix up time or schedule to meet or call each other to check whether you have accomplished these goals or not. So that is one thing very important, one thing, very a proven strategy. At the end of the year, finish strong, turn in quality work, sleep, and don't crash at the end of the year. And I would say studying hard is the best form of luck that you can ever have, especially for exams. So, what are you waiting for? Start preparing, study well so that you will have the best of luck in your exams. All the best. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will be learning something from this and you'll try to set up smarter goals for your exam. Thank you once again. Have a wonderful day ahead to all of you.